Now here we're multiplying by 100. 2 times 100 is 200. And the way to think about this is to ignore the end zeros. 2 times 1 is 2, but then if you have 2 end zeros in the question, you need 2 end zeros in the answer. Now 100 times 6 is 600, because 1 times 6 is 6, but then there's 2 zeros on the end of 100, so we need 2 zeros on the end of our answer. And 7 times 100 is 700. Again, we can see what's happening with the zeros. So this zeros trick is really useful, but note that it only works with whole numbers. If we're multiplying decimals by 100, we have to do something else. But for whole numbers, just count up the zeros, and that's what you need on the end.